Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying control of the account. This matters because removing Face ID requires active authentication. First, open Roblox and sign in with Face ID, then immediately go to Settings Security. Once there, note whether two-step verification is on. Make sure your device's biometric lock is unlocked so you can disable Face ID. Prepare a strong new password now, because when you switch authentication modes, you'll be prompted to enter it to confirm ownership and restore standard access. Next, navigate Settings Security and Authentication and locate the Face ID toggle. You must authenticate with Face ID to change this, so allow the biometric check. Once disabled, the app will prompt you to create or confirm a password. Enter your prepared strong password and save. Make sure two-step verification is configured as a backup. Enable email or SMS codes now because passwords alone are weaker. Finally, log out and log back in using the new password to verify the transition succeeded. Finish by testing the new flow, log out and sign in with your password, and confirm two-step verification delivers codes. If Face ID resets or you're forced back into biometrics, update the Roblox app and clear the app cache. Once done, repeat disabling steps. If you can't authenticate because Face ID fails or you lost verification access, contact Roblox support with proof of ownership. Until then, avoid sharing credentials. One key tip: keep backup recovery methods active to prevent lockout.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.